Kani kadai ka Patisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasngi, belawan rasyapi da ka rupa, bapentingin bat Pynmih.
Menteri Rangba Kajala, Meghalaya, Conrad ke Sangma, haka arp kendai terek mentau benai risau arjakat pra, ulap-ulap pajba ya ka kon, kebala Pynmih da ka International Center for Northeast Studies, jong ka Synod College Shillong. Ya kan ka kot lap-ulap pajba haka jelang, kebala long hapo Shillong Club, haka balai dan lang ru principal, jong ka Synod College, Dr. D. Wan Swen, kinong hikai jong ka college, moderator jong ka KGP Synod Sepngi, Reverend W.C. Conrad, bat kiwe-kiwe, kibala sakot soba.
Clearly, you can see that it is a very, very relevant topic in today's world, especially when it comes to our region of Northeast as a whole, our state in more specifically, and in fact, if you look at the entire globe and the whole world in general. And I say this because we as a government, we face this kind of situation and choices, you may say, and decisions that we have to take, exactly trying to balance out between certain issues like ecology and economy, sustainability. These are climate change. These are factors that we are fighting every day. And a lot of people don't realize it, but the kind of impact that is there right now today because of the development aspect, because of consumerism, because of the kind of activities going on economically, are really something that we need to be worried about. And things that are moving right now in the whole globe in terms of the environment impact is something that worries me, and I think it should worry each and every one of us.